Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm doing a review on the OPV Beauty Rainbow Splash palette. Now I'm currently wearing this palette on my eyes today, if you can see. It's a super cute palette. I've used it in other tutorials before, so I'm just going to do a little bit of research on the company and I'm going to talk to you about it as well. So, a little bit of information about OPV Beauty. So OPV Beauty is a UK-based brand, and just looking on their website, they say OPV Beauty is an inclusive, ethical beauty movement. We're for people who are ready to share their true colours with the world. Choose a shade, take a stand, and join us in making the world a more beautiful place to live in every way. We're all born to be beautiful. We're all born to be beautiful. Okay. Feeling beautiful is about owning who you are. Express your unique beauty. So OPV Beauty is a UK brand and it's run by two ladies here. You can see them there. We dreamed about creating a beauty brand. As sisters growing up together, we were captivated by beautiful people in glamour magazines, and we dreamed about creating a beauty brand of our own that would serve people of all ethnicities. We started OPV Beauty to finally provide a brand that would be inclusive of all skin tones. At the time, most brands didn't offer any options for people of diverse ethnicities. It was also important that all of us I don't know why I can't read today, sorry. It is also important that all of our products are 100% cruelty free. We're excited to be making the world just a little bit kinder with each product that our customers purchase. We love helping our customers show their true colours and keep up with the latest trends using products made just for them. And now I hope I'm pronouncing these names correct. Opamia and Bercola. I'm really sorry if I pronounce your names wrong, guys. I'm really sorry, no disrespect. But this is amazing. It's a great brand, and honestly, they do a whole load of products. They do accessories, beauty blenders, they do eyeshadow palettes, face palettes, they even have hair products, lip, loose pigments, eye products, liners, lipsticks. They have quite a lot. Let's focus on the palette that we're looking at today. So eyes, they do lashes as well. Wow, they do quite a lot. Let's find the palette. They do a lot of pigments. They do one called Tropical Dreams. That looks nice. Spotlight palette. Oh, that's all shimmers. Girl, I'm looking like I'm shopping already. Wow, they've got a lot more products than when I ordered this palette. They didn't have this many products. Okay, so this is the advert for the Rainbow Splash palette. It says, Rainbow Splash palette. This palette is bursting with colour. Every shade is designed to blend well and combined with other shades for a dazzling array of unique looks. Featuring 11 highly pigmented matte, 8 beautiful shimmers and 1 metallic. So it says net powder, weight 40 grams, pan size 23 by 23. They are quite decent pan sizes. If I should, oh gosh, some glitter on there from before. They are quite decent pan sizes. If I compare this to, let me think of something that a lot of people know. If I compare this to a naked palette, you know the sizes of these pans? So they're quite big pans if you compare them. So they're big pans. They're very pigmented as well. I am going to get into some swatches with you as well. And obviously the fact that they're cruelty free is very important. If you want to know the ingredients, that's the ingredients on the back. So it is currently on sale for £20. It used to be £29 and it's £20 now, so it's got £9 off. I'm guessing they're having a sale maybe for Mother's Day. I'm not quite sure, possibly. Yeah. I will add the ingredient list down below for you guys as well. Ooh, I feel like I want to buy some of their other products. Okay, let's get into some swatches. And I'm going to start from Eclipse, work my way across, then go from the blue, work my way across. I'm going to swatch on here, so we'll start here. So I'm going to go in with Eclipse. That's Eclipse. I'm going to go in with Chimera. Then we'll go in with Dream. Then we'll go in with Spectrum. Ooh, that's nice. And then we'll go in with Fantasy. This is like a glitter, so it's a little bit drier. I feel like you would need to wet your brush with that one because it's a little bit of a drier consistency. Let's give this one a second shot. Yeah, you can see it's a little bit dry. It's because of the glitter in there. And now we're going on with Motley. And then we're going to go on with Illusion. It was all an illusion. And then we're going to go on with Atlantis. Like that. And then we're going to go on with Storm. Nice. Then Utopia. Ooh, that Utopia is nice. And then we're going to go on with Phantom. Pretty. And then we're going to go on with Prismatic. Ooh, their shimmers are beautiful. Royal. A second go. That's Royal. And then we'll go on with Satin. Oh, that satin's nice. And then we're going to go on with Frosty. It's pretty. Look at this so far. Really nice. And now I'm going to go onto my hand for the other ones. So we're going to go on, this is called Glint. That's Glint. Then the next one is Intense. Pretty. Subtle. Sorry, it gets a bit harder when you're doing it on your hand. I wanted to get all the swatches on the same arm for you. Flame. This is quite loose, but it's really pretty. Look, you can see it on my finger. Next, we will go in with Spring, which is your matte black. So I'm going to have to do that here. So that's all of the swatches of this palette, if you can see. If the swatches aren't enough to convince you, honestly, for £20, even for £29, it's a really good deal. And it's definitely worth it. I honestly highly recommend this palette. Like, I cannot recommend it enough. Especially if you're on a budget. Girl, this is amazing. Supporting small business is so important as well. Honestly, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And hopefully this inspired you to look into this palette a little bit more. Until next time, I will love you and leave you. Please give me a like if you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of me. And until next time, I will see you all very soon. Bye.